You are at the airport. Your phone is at 3%. You see a free USB charging port. You plug in. In that moment, a hacker may have just stolen everything on your phone. This attack has a name. It is called juice jacking. Juice jacking is when a hacker tampers with a public USB charging port in airports, hotels, shopping malls, and cafes. Here's what most people do not know. The USB cable does two things at the same time. It charges your device and transfers data. A compromised port can silently install malware on your phone, copy your photos and contacts, steal your passwords, and even lock your device and demand a ransom, all while your phone shows it is simply charging. You would never even notice. Here is exactly how the attack works. A hacker physically replaces or modifies a public USB charging port with a compromised one. When you plug in your phone, the connection is not just power. It opens a full data link between your phone and the hacker's device. Within seconds, malicious software can be transferred directly onto your device without any notification or permission. You see the charging icon. Everything looks normal. You suspect nothing. The FBI and the FCC have both issued official warnings about juice jacking at public charging stations. This is not just a theory. In 2023, the FBI Denver office issued a public warning urging people to avoid free USB charging stations in airports, hotels, and shopping centers. The FCC has warned about juice jacking since 2021. Security researchers have demonstrated live juice jacking attacks at conferences, showing how a compromised port can steal photos, messages, and login credentials in under 3 minutes. 3 minutes. That is all it takes. The good news. Protecting yourself is simple and cheap. 3 rules. 1. Always carry your own charger and plug into a wall power outlet, not a USB port. A standard wall socket only transfers electricity. It cannot access your data. 2. Use a USB data blocker. It is a tiny device that costs less than $10. You plug it between your cable and the public port. It allows power to flow through, but physically blocks all data transfer. 3. Carry a portable power bank. Charge it at home. Use it when you are out. And remember, if you ever have no choice but to use a public USB port, power off your phone completely before plugging in. A phone that is switched off cannot be compromised. Have you ever used the public USB charging port? Drop yes or no in the comments right now. Share this video with someone who charges their phone at airports or cafes. You might just protect them from losing everything. Follow CyberFact for a new cybersecurity fact every single day. Stay aware, stay secure.